Welcome to the birskylogic. The content in this video is a collection of predatory animals, or also called carnivores. Predators are all kinds of animals that have a habit of eating other animals. Animals that are hunted by predators are called prey. Predators are usually carnivorous. The presence of predators can control the population of an animal species, especially on agricultural land. One of the predators is threatened by the use of pesticides. Lions and tigers are known as predatory animals in their habitat and occupy the top of the food chain. That is, they are the rulers of their habitat and no other animal hunts them. However, that does not mean they occupy a position that is always safe. The reason is, although lions and tigers are known as strong animals, there are also animals that are no less brave and do not hesitate to fight them for food and territory. Therefore, these animals then become natural enemies. For other animals, they are very threatening because they are very cruel to their prey. They will hunt, kill by tearing, and will eat it. Not only lions and tigers, the cheetah is also a predatory animal that is quite dangerous for other animals. The cheetah is a member of the cat family that hunts prey using speed rather than sneaking or flocking tactics. Speed, 80 to 130 kilometers per hour running, estimated. Scientific name, Acinonyx jubatus. Height, 67 to 94 centimeters adult at shoulder. Mass, 21 to 72 kilograms adult. Gestation period, 90 to 98 days. Weight, 275 grams. Birth mass, 40.2 kilograms adult weight, 35 kilograms adult weight. Hyena is one of the animals that are their competitors. Hyenas are one of the most common large carnivores in Africa. They have a tendency to steal game remains when other predators hunt. This trait makes hyenas enemies of lions in the wild. Besides being happy to steal the remains of the game, hyenas also become enemies because they often chase and hunt lion cubs, because it is relatively easy to do than hunting adult lions. Meanwhile, to defeat an adult female lion, hyenas need 10 members of the group, and the number needed will be Besides lions, tigers, and cheetahs, there are other types of predatory animals that are active at night and resemble dogs. He is a wolf. There are at least 3 basics in hunting that wolves have. The 3 basics are intelligence, stamina, and the ability to apply hunting strategies in the wild. The wolf is one of the animals that has the best hunting strategy. The hunting strategy of wolves include several aspects that they do to their prey, namely watching, intimidating, exhausting the prey, and finally killing the prey. Wolves have quite a number of subspecies in the wild. Several subspecies emerged because of the microevolution that occurred in the wolf species over a long period of time. The difference in conditions in nature is one of the reasons why wolves evolve and experience speciation in the wild. Usually the differences in subspecies in several types of wolves are found in body size, coat color, eyes, and several other minor things. Then in the reptile world, crocodiles are large reptiles that live in water. Crocodiles include all species of members of the family Crocodilidae. However, this name can also be used loosely to refer to crocodiles, alligators, caimans, and gavials, namely the crocodile relatives of different tribes. Crocodiles generally inhabit freshwater habitats such as rivers, lakes, swamps, and other wetlands. Some also live in brackish waters such as estuarine crocodiles. The main food of crocodiles is vertebrate animals such as fish, reptiles, and mammals, depending on the species. Other types of predatory animals from the bird family. Eagles are carnivorous animals that are able to fly high and pounce on their prey quickly. Eagles are carnivorous animals, and their main prey is small mammals such as rabbits, mice, lizards, chickens, fish, and other small birds. Eagles are warm-blooded animals and have wide wingspans and bodies covered with midrib feathers. Eagles reproduce by laying eggs and have hard-shelled eggs and nest in hard-to-reach places such as mountain slopes or very high trees. Basically, the eagle becomes the top of the existing food chain. It's no surprise that eagles usually don't hesitate to prey on even smaller birds. The next type of bird is the owl. Owls are a group of birds that are members of the order Strigiformes. This bird belongs to the class of birds of prey carnivores, meat eaters, and is a nocturnal animal. Owls are known for their large, forward-facing eyes, a sharp hooked beak like an eagle's beak, and the arrangement of feathers on the head that forms a circular face. The facial appearance is impressive and sometimes scary. The bird's neck is so flexible that its face can rotate 180 degrees backwards. And this bird is one of the inhabitants of the forest and flies low. Generally, owls will hunt in the open. That's why this one animal should stay in the wild. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.